Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Riders Republic with friends on Xbox. First, navigate to the game's main hub. From there, you will easily find and select the social menu. This menu is your gateway to connecting with others. Once inside, choose the Friends option to see everyone currently online. Then, simply select a friend from your list and send them an invitation to join your game session. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your friend accepts the invitation, they will seamlessly join your current group within Riders Republic. This forms your squad, ready for action. Most activities in the game allow for a group size of up to 6 players, ensuring you can bring along a good number of your buddies. You can also join a friend's existing session if they send you an invite, making it flexible to connect and play together. With your group formed, the entire world of Riders Republic opens up for shared adventures. You can participate in thrilling races, intense trick events, and explore the massive open world side by side. Whether you prefer competitive challenges or cooperative exploration, playing with friends enhances every experience. Simply select an event or activity, and your entire group can join in the fun together, creating unforgettable moments. To maximize your fun, always use voice chat for clear communication with your friends. This makes coordinating during races or exploring the vast map much easier. Don't forget to try out all the different sports available, from high-speed biking to exhilarating skiing and snowboarding. Exploring the open world together, discovering hidden landmarks and unique challenges, truly makes the experience richer and more engaging for everyone in your group.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.